it holds it firmly. If you don't do so, the mirror can fall off. I'm not sure, but for this step, it's a very, very strong one. I'm so sure about it. It's going to hold it for a very, very long time. So I've done the second one, and that is the last one on that side. So I'm just pressing it so it sticks firmly, and I'm putting the mirrors very close. I don't want some gap in between them so that it will look like it's one complete mirror, though the lines have to appear. But I'm just putting them so closely because I would want them to appear like it's one. So that is the last one, and we are done with the sticking now. So this is the glitter tape. I'm not so sure about the name, how it's being called, but I'm just calling it a glitter ribbon. Yeah, not glitter tape, I mean a glitter ribbon. I'm just using it to decorate the edges of the mirror. You can use anything. I've seen them in so many designs. Some are in flower shape, some are just straight like this. So anything you'd want to use to decorate your mirror, that's your own choice. So for me, I'm using this, which I call the glitter ribbon. I'll find out what's the exact name, and you can find it in the market. Yes. So I'm trying to cut them into pieces, just measuring how much length I need for every space. Then I cut it out and I stick it with the glue. So even the glue I'm using to stick the ribbon is a very good one, very strong. I'm not seeing it coming out any soon. I trust this. So this is something that is going to last for a very, very long time. Maybe until I think of changing houses is when I'll remove it. But still, even if you want to change the glitter ribbon, you want something else, you want something new, yeah, you can change. You can just peel off that one that you have used and come in with another one. As you wish. DIYs, you can play around with them and make them in your own choice, in your own way. So I'm going to stick this all around the mirror shape. You can see the...
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh,
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
Again, bye.